Welcome. If you're looking to block someone on Snapchat quickly and easily, you're in the right place. Whether it's for privacy, peace of mind, or just cleaning up your friends list, Snapchat makes it simple to manage who can contact Isukue. Let's go step by step. First, open the Snapchat app on your phone. Once you're on the main screen, look at the top left corner and tap on your Bitmoji or profile icon. This will take you directly to your profile page, where all your account settings and friend options are located. Next, scroll a little until you find the section labeled My Friends and tap on it. Here, you'll see a full list of everyone you're currently connected with on Snapchat. Now, find the friend you want to block. Take your time if your list is long. Once you locate the person, press and hold down on their name. This will open a small menu with several options related to that friend. From the menu that appears, tap on Manage Friendship. This section gives you more control over your interaction with that user. After that, simply tap on Block. Snapchat will usually ask you to confirm your choice, just to make sure you really want to proceed. Go ahead and confirm it. And that's it. Once blocked, that person won't be able to send you snaps, messages, or view your story.